Welcome back to this training. Cybersecurity is one of the most important and demanding field nowadays in IT sector. And IP version 4, I mean the basics of the networking also, it is part of it. So if you want to work in cybersecurity, you also have to learn IPv4, 6, basics of the networking. And if you want to learn binary decimal conversion, you have to watch other videos I have. Here I will explain broadcast and network mainly for class C. Already I explained basics little bit about IP address, IP version 4, and mainly I will focus this broadcast address. And this video is slow because of the beginner that they can understand and catch it. Thank you. Let me explain. So IP version 4, we have 32 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is first octet, second octet, third octet, and fourth octet. Okay, and here this is second octet maximum value. So we can have either 0 or 1 as a maximum value. And for class C, we know the range 192 to 223. Okay, this is, if you see this range, this is class C. Now I am going to take a value. Let's say I take this full and right here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you know that left side one, all part one block, it is network, and this is host. Okay, this is network, this is also network, and this is also network, and this is host. Okay, network. Okay, now what I'm going to do, we already know how to calculate how many hosts we can get. Here is total 8, so 2 to the power 8 equal to 256. 256. Also we know that we are going to minus 2 because first and last we are going to keep reserve, so it is 254. This is already we know. Right now we have to understand next, and here is interesting thing that let's say this is 192, this is class C, it's 168.100, and here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can be 0 or it can be 1, correct? Maximum value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. All right, now I'm going to do something that 0 and next value is going to be 1, right? Here I'm going to write as a binary, sorry, decimal, and here is 2. Okay. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way we will get here 255, 254, and 253. Now this is our reserve. When we get the 0 and when we get the all 1, we keep it as a reserve, right? And reserve. And when you see all are 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we say it as broadcast. This is we have to understand, and it is network. Okay, and in this network, in this fourth octet, we have total 8 0, and our total host is 256. 256 minus 2 equal to 254. And how many network we have? We have one network because we do not have any 1. So when we do not have any 1, what do? We do our binary 2 and to the power 0 equal to 1. So our network is 1, and this is the network. Okay, this is the network. In this network, how many IP address we have? Total 254. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 to 254. Okay, this is one part to understand. Second part, broadcast. Okay, how many network we have? One network, and this is the network. And how many how many IP address? Total 201 to 254. Okay, now what is the function of broadcast? Let's say this IP address want to send message to or any IP address here in this network. It can send it. It is fine. But when it wants to send 3, 4, all, okay, when it wants to send all message to all in the same network, then it is going to use the broadcast address. That is the main concept of the broadcast here. So this is a network, and in this network we see that one network and 224 actual IP. We say it actual or usable IP, usable in networking term. I'm not using terms that you understand easily, beginner. Okay, so from this class C IP address, we can calculate how many IP address we can get. We can get 256 IP, and 2 minus 2 means first and last is going to reserve, and 0, when we see 0 it is network, and when it's all 1 it is network. So, sorry, it is broadcast. And broadcast, what is the function of broadcast? When one node or host, this each IP, we say node, host, or machine or server, whatever you say, node, host, server, machine, etc., whatever. And this one IP can communicate with another IP or send message, but when you want to send message to all, then it is going to use the broadcast address. That is the function of broadcast. From this video summary is, what is broadcast? Broadcast is used in the same network. If one node or host want to send message to all, then it uses broadcast. That's all for now. I will continue for next video. You will learn more about IP version 4.